Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're talking about the good funded trader 20% consistency rule. So in case you are new to good funded trader is a platform that can give traders huge capital to trade with. And if you want to sign up with good funded trader, you need to sign up with good funded trader. It's already in the description of this particular video. And you can get up to 40% discount if you use this particular promo code you are seeing on the screen now. And if you are new, you have not purchased an account with Good Funded Trader before, just use this particular code you are seeing on the screen and you get up to 50% discount on any account we are going for. So without wasting much of our time, I want to tell you guys that I bought a 50k account with Good Funded Trader and they gave me a 100k account as a buy now pay later account. Do you understand? That means I have two accounts now. And that 100k account have a consistency rule, which is 20% consistency rule. That's our own consistency rule is based by percentage. Now, most of you don't even know how this 20% consistency rule actually works. So in this particular video, I'm going to be breaking it down. But before we proceed, let me just give you an overview of what this 20% consistency rule is all about. When you hear about 20% consistency rule, it just means that whenever I want to place withdrawal from any prop firm, like Good Funded, that has consistency rule in their buy now, pay later account, so I want to place, let's say, $1,000 as your withdrawal profit. Now, what it means is that in all the profit that you made on that $1,000, let one of them not be above 20%. What this means is that if you want to withdraw $1,000 from this particular profit you are trading with, like Good Funded Trader, they are saying that one trade, you understand, out of the trade you have already executed, one trade should not be more than 20% of the total amount of money you want to withdraw at that particular moment. Now, let's take for instance, I have a 100k account with Good Funded Trader, and this is my 100k account, and which they gave to me. Now, if I want to place, let's say I executed my first trade and it was a profitable one, risking $600. I was able to make 1:2, and that 1:2 was $1,200. If I press withdrawal, they are not going to allow me to make this withdrawal because I have not passed the consistency rule. This is a profit, but because this is just the only trade that I have, and this trade is 100% consistency rule, so I need more trades, profitable trade, so we can actually pass the consistency rule. Now let's continue. Let's say I risk another $600 and I was able to make 1:3, and that 1:3 is $1,800. Can you withdraw this money? Let's check if you actually pass the consistency rule. Add this money together, you're going to get a $3,000. The question now, if you want to withdraw this $3,000 now, what is 20% of $3,000 is how much? 20% of $3,000 should be around $600, like this, $600. You understand? Now the question now is, between these two trades, is there any of them that is above $600? Yes, both of them is above $600. So you have not passed the consistency rule. What are you going to do? You keep trading. Now let's say you execute another trade and it was a $1,000 profit. Let's say you are still risking 0.6% of the account, which is $600, and you got this time around, you didn't meet up to 1:2, you just close out 1:1.5. Do you understand? Let's say you made $1,000 like this. Do you understand? Now at this point now, add them together, you're going to get 4k. You're going to get $4,000. Now, what is 20% of $4,000, which is total amount of money you want to withdraw? Let's check if this your profit was able to pass the consistency rule. Now, 20% of $4,000 should be around $800. Do you understand? Then remember that consistency rule say don't make more than 20% of the amount you want to withdraw. You want to withdraw $4,000, and 20% of $4,000 is $800. Now, with the both trades now, it shows that you have made more than the 20% of the amount you want to withdraw. What are you going to do? You keep trading, keep making profits. If you make loss, it's becoming more harder. You understand? If you're making losses, it's hard. It becomes hard for you to pass consistency rule. But if you're making profit, then you can easily pass it. So consistency rule is just for profitable traders. You understand? Now let's continue calculating. Now let's say in another profitable trade, you're able to make another 1:2. You understand? And in that 1:2, it was also 1,200. Now, total amount of money here is $5,200. Now, the question is, what is 20% of $5,200? 20% of this is 1040. You understand? And now, the question is, What is the 20% of this? 20% of this is this. Is there any of your profit that is above 1040? The truth is yes. You understand? All the profits that are here, they are all above 1040. Let's say you made another $1,000 profits. Now let's go ahead and make the calculations now. Now, if you add everything here, that means total profit that you made so far on your account balance 6,200. Now, what is 20% of 6,200? Okay, guys, I just changed the markup. And 20% of 6,200 is 1,240. So now the question is, have we ever made any profit? The total amount of money that you want to withdraw, is there any of them that is above 1,240? And the answer is yes. Because this $1,800 is above the $1,240. So the profit will not pay you. They'll tell you to keep trading. Now let's quickly summarize this. Now let us do the calculations. Now if you add everything here, you should be getting around $9,700 like this. Now, what is 20% of this $9,700 is $1,940. Now, the question is, if you want to withdraw this $9,700, is there any trade that is above $1,940 from all the profits you have made? And the answer is no. Are you getting me? That means you have finally passed the consistency rule. So in essence, what consistency rule just want you to do is for you to keep trading and keep making your profit. That's just what it's all about. So that's why some people, once they make their profits, they want to withdraw and they'll tell them that they have not passed the consistency rule. And when they are trying to pass the consistency rule, they'll end up blowing their account. You see the amount of profit you need to make for you to pass this particular consistency rule. So this is just what consistency rule is all about. And you can actually ask your withdrawer and you get paid depending on the profit we are trading with. You understand? If it's good funded, for your first and second withdrawal, they are going to pay you $6,000 for beginning. Then later on, you can start withdrawing the total amount of money that you made from it, or you cannot withdraw more than 10K depending on your equity at that particular moment. And again, if you still want to check out GoFunded Trader, the link to sign up with GoFunded Trader is already in the description of this particular video. And GoFunded Trader is actually the cheapest platform you can start with now. So, but if you want to buy and pay later challenge, that's where you start using this consistency rule. So this is just all for 20% consistency rule if you're trading with GoFunded Trader. Are you getting me, guys? So if you have any question about this, do well to drop it in the comment section. And if you find this very helpful, don't forget to drop a like for us and then subscribe to this particular channel for more educative content like this. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.